Hello friends, I now want to show you how to find the nth term formula of an arithmetic sequence. So the nth term formula of an arithmetic sequence is given by this formula here. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So here is a question. Given the sequence 3, 8, 13, 18, find the nth term formula of this sequence. So to find the nth term formula of this sequence, we are going to apply this formula that we have. So the first thing that we do is to write the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So we need to know what our a is and what our d is. So in this question here, given this sequence that we have here, our a is equal to 3. It's the first term in the sequence. Our d is the common difference, and it can be found in many ways. One way in which we can find our common difference is just by subtracting 18 minus 13, which will give us 5. Or you can subtract 13 minus 8 or 8 minus 3. You end up with your common difference. And then we are going to substitute these two values, the value of a, the first term, and the common difference into the formula that we have. And so here we are going to have Tn is equal to, our a is 3 plus n minus 1 in brackets times 5, which is the common difference. And then we are going to have Tn, or the nth term, is equal to 3 plus, and then we can expand the brackets. Now we are going to multiply this 5 times this n that we have. So 5 times n, we are going to have 5n. 5 times 1 or negative 1, we are going to have negative there and the 5. And then we can collect the like terms here. Tn is equal to 5n minus 5 plus 3. So you move the 3 this side. So the sign does not change because the 3 does not cross any equal sign. So we are going to have Tn is equal to 5n minus 2. So negative 5 here plus 3. So you have these two different signs. You just subtract the two numbers and maintain the sign of the bigger number, which is 5. So this is our nth term formula. This is a formula for this sequence that we have. So this formula is a formula that we can use to find the other terms and other things that the questions may ask us to find. So the second question is asking us to find the 100th term. So instead of us adding the common difference to the numbers that we have here, the terms that we have, we can just substitute in the formula that we have. So our nth term formula, Tn is equal to 5n minus 2. So this formula is used to find these terms that we have in the sequence. So since we are finding the 100th term, it means that our n should be equal to 100. So we are going to substitute 100 here where there's n. So we are going to have t, where there's n you replace with 100, is equal to 5 times 100 minus 2, which will give us 500 minus 2, which is going to give us 498. And so this is our 100th term. And our third question says, find the position of 203 in the sequence. So the position of 203 in the sequence is going to be found like this. So this time we are not going to substitute 203 where there is n, but instead we are going to use the same formula for the nth term, which is equal to 5n minus 2. And here where there is Tn, which is the nth term, we are going to substitute 203 there. So we are going to have 203 here is equal to 5n minus 2. And then at this stage now we are going to correct like terms. So we are going to have 203 plus 2 is equal to 5n. And so at this stage now, we are going to add here 203 plus 2, which will give us 205, which is equal to 5n. Okay, so now for us to solve for n, we are going to divide both sides by 5. So we'll divide by 5 here. Even this side we are going to divide by 5. So this 5 cancels with that. And then we are going to have our n is equal to 5 into 20, we are going to have 4. 5 into 5, we are going to have 1. So we have 41. So here, The position of 203 in this sequence is that 203 is number 41 in the sequence. It's term number 41 in the sequence. And so here is where our lesson ends. Thank you very much for paying attention.